right, guys, another day, another walk, right? We're just gonna do the walk. I ate breakfast here, so I'm just gonna walk. Most people like seeing this over and over and over. Just gonna do a walk. 55.80 is the exchange rate. Yesterday I went to Norma's, it was 55.90. I'm just waiting for it to go up to that 56, and I'm gonna cash out. You know what, I had to laugh at a comment. All right, somebody said, Philly, you need to give it a break. You're copying other vloggers now, where they go and what they do. Well, first of all, everybody has their own perspective and their own thoughts of what they think when they walk around and they vlog. They give their own personal opinion, right? But I don't think I'm copying anybody. I've been here 6 years. I got here when there was only maybe 3 or 4 YouTubers here, and those 3 or 4 YouTubers are gone now. So no, I don't think I'm copying anybody. If anything, people are following my footsteps. But like I said, people have their own perspectives of how they view things and how they look at things. So yeah, I kind of had a chuckle at that comment. Yeah, here's another thing. I was talking the other day to my wife, Lut, and I asked her, I said, hey, do you think a lot of these girls that work here, do you think their family members know that they work here? And she said, yeah. Then we started talking. And I'm thinking to myself, you know what, you are kind of right. If you think about it, you know, some of these girls don't want to tell their family members that they're working here. You know, nah, I'm good, buddy.
Man, I give good price.
Nah, I'm good, buddy.
Oh, how about this one?
No, thank you. Here's old Anna. You think about it, guys. Just think about it. These girls might tell their family members, oh, my friend so-and-so.
Yeah, you know.
Hey, all right, buddy. How's it going? All right. All right. They might tell their family members, hey, my friend or so-and-so, whatever, they got me a job. They got me a job up in Manila at a factory. Everybody knows factories don't pay anything here, right? $300-400, I could be wrong, a day. 300-400 pesos a day. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm just gonna, let's go 5 on the high side, right? So now you got the girl who is forking thousands and thousands of pesos back to the family members every month. They're forking back to their family members more money than what they're making in a month. Families don't say anything because they're happy to take them pesos. They're selfies, they're taking pictures of themselves in the nice outfits. They got the newest phones. You know, they're doing some traveling. All this on a factory paycheck. Come on, them families aren't dumb. They know what's going on. But they're not going to say anything. You know, they're not going to run to their neighbors and say, oh yeah, my daughter is, you know, working up here in Angeles City. They're not going to say that. You know, next thing you know, they're sending money back to build houses. And trust me, the neighbors and the barangays also know what's going on. So for people to think that, or for these girls to say, you know, they're working in a factory and they're sending all this money back to the provinces, nah, their families aren't dumb. They know what's going on. You do have girls that walk up here and their families know exactly what they're doing, and they're fine with that. They don't talk about it, but they're fine with that. But to each their own, right? You don't know what the struggle is here for people. You know, you think about it too. You know, the girl has a couple kids in the province, and they're coming up here and getting jobs. It's just the way it works. You know, girl comes up here, she has no education. She might have finished school, she might not have finished school, and they're making all this money and sending it back. You think the family members think, ah, yeah, my daughter, she don't even have an 8th grade education, but she got a good job in a factory, and she's sending back thousands and thousands of pesos a month to the family. They know what's going on. But it's their life, right? You don't know, like I said, you don't know what it's like to struggle unless you're in their shoes. I don't look down at any of the girls here. They do what they got to do. It's easy for people to say, oh, they can go get jobs elsewhere. Well, yeah, they could. But they choose not to. I think a lot of them are just coming, working here, looking for that future husband, that future boyfriend, that future person that's going to take care of them. Just my 2 cents. We are gonna, we'll head down the big walking street here, since everybody loves it down this street. I gotta go pick up my shorts. I took some shorts to the lady down the street here to the left. Just gotta sew some holes. Got some holes in my jeans. I don't want to give up. My good Levi jeans. There's my man. There's my man. What's up, my man? All right, hang on. We got to get a shout out.
Okay, hello everyone. I want to shout out to Franco from California. I want to shout out to Phil from Ohio. Shout out to Cowboy, aka Mayweather from Wyoming. Shout out to Gringo, aka Carlos from Florida. And shout out to everyone out there who knows me. Come over here and buy some of my goods. All right, thank you, Brian.
All right, back at it. It's a nice breeze. Like, I was just sitting there thinking, you know what? It seems like every single evening now, 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening here, it just opens up and rains like clockwork. Like clockwork, and it kind of cools things off. Rainy season will end here, and then I always say October, November, December is always a nice time to come here in the Philippines. Temperature's just perfect. All these through here, Owl's Nest, Q-Bar, Avalon, Banana or La Bamba, Lollipops, Geckos, Dollhouse, all these through here do not open until the evening. These are evening bars. A lot of the Korean bars are open down at the other end of the street here. And they seem to be busy. There's always people, Koreans going in and out of it. Some people don't care for Koreans, whatever. I mean, I have no problem with them. No problem. They're bringing money here. They're bringing a lot of money. So the bar owners here like them. He got the shoe repair guy here on the left. Check out his little setup. What's up, buddy? This is Eddie's Shoe and Umbrella Repair. This is a moving shoe repair place, right, buddy?
Yeah.
You're busy, huh? You got a lot of customers. I like your little setup here.
Yeah. This
like,
is umbrella.
Look at that. That's gas, right?
Huh?
That's electric start gas. So he just fires it up.
Okay.
He hops in there.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Explain what you got going on here. Yeah. Automatic?
Huh?
You have to shift automatic.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's an automatic.
Yeah, there's a gas.
Right.
Yeah, there.
That's awesome. You brake?
There on a scooter, makina.
Right.
There.
Yeah, I'll shoot around there and show that. And this is your hand if you want to go slow, right?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, if he goes slow, he just cruises down the street, saves gas. Yeah, that's good. Good. You know what? I applaud you. I applaud you.
Yeah.
That you are out, you are doing what you got to do.
2 years bago mag-polio.
Are you married?
Yes, mo, no.
How many children?
2 years.
2 children?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. I like it. I applaud you. I applaud you, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, check this out. There's this motorcycle right there on the side. That's how he scoots. He fires that thing up, electric starter, fires it up, and rides around. That's, you know what, I applaud that. I applaud the fact that he's out, Eddie's Shoe and Umbrella Repair. I applaud the fact that he's out and he's, what's up, buddy? That he's out and he's not sticking his hand out. That's what I like about that. He's not sticking his hand out, asking for donations. He's earning every penny he makes. Go for him. And yes, I did give him a little something. I did. A lot of people, they just want to hold their hand out. He's trying to make a living for his family, and good for him, good for him. Banana on the left, you got the Viking ship. The Viking ship is, hang on, let me get across the street here. This is a pain in the ass with, they allow all these people just to park and ride up and down the road here. The Viking ship is full. The ship is full with all the Vikings, as you can see. And I'm gonna get run over here. Oh yeah. This place used to have a pizza joint in it, and now it's gone. It's gone now. It says restaurant entrance, and I don't see it happening anymore. They come, there they go. Cosplays up here on the right hand side. There's another Korean bar that's open all the time. It's good to go. At least I think it's a Korean bar.
Right, buddy?
I'm good, buddy.
Okay.
These are Korean down here, baccarat. Oh yeah. Cranking their music. Wow, nice breeze right now. And the clouds are rolling in. Cold bar, wow, they got them all hanging out outside. Girls are eating. It's around lunchtime. I think it's around 12, something like that. So they're all out here eating. Got to get their grub on. There's your vendor right there. Green mangoes. I'm not a big fan of those green ones. Oh. The other night when we were out, we were doing a little bar hopping about 2 Fridays ago, right? We went into Paro. As soon as they opened up the door, there was nobody in there. As soon as they opened up the door, all the girls jumped on the stage. I'm like, nope. See ya. Another Korean-owned bar. Walkabout hotel, or walk around hotel, whichever one you choose to call it. Glee Angeles JTV live bands. That's back in the corner of the Paradise Bar here. Pre-pandemic, we went in there and listened to the band. Pretty cool. Me, I don't know. I told Lyd, I said next time we do go out, I want to go and sit and listen to a band. I like to hear a band play. And there's quite a few places here that do have live bands, so definitely be doing that one of these evenings. Of course you can't vlog it because, well, copyright music, right? All right, here we are. Down here at the end. This is growing bigger and bigger. Got more people selling their products here now. At the, no, I'm good, buddy. Shout out.
Hello, welcome to Philippines, Walking Street.
Huh?
Walking Street.
What goes on in Walking Street? What goes on there? Anything good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Because many girls.
Lots of girls, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, guys. They'll yell, shout out, and then they get nosebleed. Nosebleed. All right, guys, you know what? I'm gonna wrap this one up right outside the famous McDonald's, which is behind me. There's no McDonald there anymore. No more Ronald McDonald. I can't go over and give him a nipple tweak. But anyways, guys, that's it. I know. But I walk around and just talk, and people like seeing what's going on here. So, all right, guys, I gotta get home before it rains. Once again, if you're that 50% of the people that watch the channel, but haven't subscribed, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit that button down below. Subscribe. Almost at 95,000. 95. Let's get that 1,000 or 100,000 before the end of the year. So, all right, guys, we will talk to you later.